We know the Ummah needs to find a leader to lead the Ummah. Who's going to lead the Ummah? Everyone's thinking, who's the next leader? The Ansar are saying, we should have a leader. And the Ansar, who's the one speaking now? Sa'ad ibn Ubadah. He says, وَمِنَّا وَمِنْكُمْ. You want a leader from the Quraysh? We also deserve a leader from the Quraysh. Then Abu Bakr as-Siddiq radiallahu anhu says to Sa'ad ibn Ubadah, didn't you hear the Prophet ﷺ say, Al-Walatu fi Quraysh? The leadership in this ummah stays in Quraysh. He says, you're right. Zayd ibn Thabit radiallahu anhu, who was the first Ansari to get up, jump over, and grab the hand of Abu Bakr and do bay'ah to Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu. Then the Ansar did. This move of Zayd, Allah chose him for a big cause, big project. When you work for the unity of the ummah and for the right cause, Allah will use you for a greater cause. Who did Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu use to collect the Quran? Zayd ibn Thabit. Now Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu becomes a Khalifa. And the biggest task of Abu Bakr at the moment is not just the burial of the Prophet, not just to lead the Ummah after the death of the Prophet. Usama bin Zayd's army that's outside, that has to go towards the Romans, it doesn't want to move ahead. They come to Abu Bakr as-Siddiq and they say to Abu Bakr as-Siddiq, Usama is like 17 years old, Usama bin Zayd. Can you make someone else a leader of this army? And when they come to discuss this matter with Umar radiallahu anhu actually comes to discuss this matter with Abu Bakr as-Siddiq, and Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu gets bad. ثَقِلَتْكَ أُمُّكَ يَا عُمَرُ. I wish your mother lost you. You want me to remove someone the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam assigned as a leader? How? I can't do that. So Umar radiallahu anhu, after he gets reprimanded by Abu Bakr, he goes back to the entire army. He says, ثَقِلَتْكَ أُمَّهَاتُكُمْ. I hope all you mothers had lost you. He got so mad. And then in this army is Umar, Abu Ubaidah, some of the great companions of Ashra Mubashara, and this young man, Usama, whose son is he? Zayd ibn Haritha. There was this relationship the Prophet had with them. Who is Usama? The son of Ayman. Very special child. And now he's 17 years old. The Prophet after leaving this world, he set the tone. Now Abu Bakr as-Siddiq radiallahu anhu has one request to Usama. He comes all the way out from the city. He says, Usama, I have one request. Can you please allow me to keep Umar back in Medina? I need him in Medina. Because now the local people who are munafiqeen and also the weak Muslims who had not accepted Islam completely, they have left Islam. The Arabs who were just close, like just entered into Islam like weeks ago, they're like, the Prophet died, the religion is over.